Hello there, welcome to our channel logging up again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete or remove friends on Snapchat. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to delete or remove your friends on Snapchat, first open the Snapchat app first. And after opening your Snapchat app, you can see the message icon on the bottom left corner of your screen. Just beside the location icon, tap on the message icon. And now after landing over here, tap on the friend whom you want to remove or delete from your Snapchat account, like this. And after that, you can see their profile picture icon on the top left corner of the screen. Tap over there. And after that, when you land on this interface, you can again see the three dotted icon on the top right corner of the screen. Tap over there. And after that, when you tap over there, all these options will be available to you. Tap on manage friendship, which is on the first. And after that, you can see the remove friend option available over here, or the block option available over here. Both are on your choice. Now to remove or delete a friendship, tap on remove friend and tap on remove again, and he or she will be removed. And there guys, this is how you remove a friend on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.